beautiful flowers, guys, of this row. This is Jerusalem artichoke, and look at that, so beautiful. These plants galing sa isang packet, guys, and they are mixed flowers. So ayan ang result niya. Hello friends, update sa ating garden. Ito yung isa kong garden dito sa harapan ng bahay namin. So may dalawa akong beds, guys, ng onions. Puro onions ang nilagay ko. Tapos doon naman sa may lettuce, nilagyan ko din sa side. Kaso nga lang kunti lang siya. So ito na yung update niya, guys. As in na malaki na ang ating mga onions, as you can tell. Tapos kumuha na rin ako ng isa. Ginamit kong pangluto ng isang araw. And ayan, malalaki na po sila. The thing is, I'm so sad kasi pumunta yung aso namin dito at look what happened. So ayan. And what we are going to do today, guys, is yun, natapos na akong nagdilig. And ito naman ang update sa ating mga tomatoes. So, malalaki na ang ating tomatoes. Marami na rin silang bunga and they're still growing. And as you can see na may hinog na po. Isa doon, isa din doon. So, tapos doon pa, pang salad, guys. And that side as well. So, pang salad, guys. So, kukuha tayo or kukunin na natin ang mga hinog. Yeah, at yun ang ulamin natin for today's lunch or these days, guys. Kunin na natin para hindi kainin ng mga snails kasi super dami ng snails namin dito, as you can tell. So dito ako nagtanim ng leeks, guys, last January, I think. Yes. So hindi ko na harvest at wala man lang akong isang nakain, guys, kasi nga pumunta dito yung mga kambing at sheep namin and they ate. So ito yung mga natira na nakalbo sila, pero nagsilabasan din sila nung nag-water na ako ng plant. So ayan, I let them grow. So ayan sila, guys. Ito naman ang flowers niya, white ang flowers niya, guys. So hayaan lang natin para yung mga bulbs niya, guys, yun ang kunin natin, like onion. So, yun ang itago natin at maybe that's what we are going to plant in the next winter. Okay, so let's see, guys. Here is the truth. Let's see kung look, ayan. As in, nadamihan ko yata, guys, ng tubig kaya may butas siya. So, let's see. This is the first tomato. OMG. Woo! Yes, sana nga walang guys, walang anong tawag nito, walang uod sa loob. Ayan, wow, wala akong basket, guys. Ito okay lang ito. Tapos itong isa naman, ito kasi yung unang mga bunga niya, guys, na parang nag-suffer sila. So some insect they started to eat, but we can just cut them and we can save some part. Tapos ito yung kumato, guys, na sabi ko sa inyo, 'di ba? Ganyan siya kung mahinog, guys. Tapos kung hayaan mo lang na as in na mahinog, ganyan siya. Dark, parang dark siya, guys. Hindi siya totally red like this. Can you see? So this is kumato, Japanese tomato, guys. So happy. Hello friends, nandito ako ngayon sa aking garden, and if you remember, this is my onion patch. This is where I planted our onions last year, and this year I planted onions again here. But the thing is, it is my first time to have moles, guys. There are moles eating my onions, as you can see this. So for example, if I will pull That's why I will, even if my onions are like this small, I will harvest them because the mole are eating them every day, guys. So for example, I will show you like this one, like this. Okay, that one they didn't eat yet. Okay, asan na yung mga yun? Wait, huh? So for example, let me check if this one, yeah, this one, no, they didn't eat that one yet. So can you see there are holes in here, different holes, and more holes in here. So for example, this one, it's like there is, right? But if you pull like that, look, the mole ate everything, ate the root. So every day like that, guys. So I stopped irrigating because once you irrigate, they like more. Can you see this one? Look, just like it's intact, right? But the plant is yellow and starting to die. And if you pull it, look, nothing inside. So that's the problem. What a pity, huh? This one is okay, so I'm going to take that. Oh my gosh, it's very small. So look here, he ate it again here. So it's like that, guys, every day, every day. So in here too, let's see this one. Look, can you see? But this one outside, the one outside, they didn't eat. So I will harvest, guys. What a pity. And I don't have enough of that. I'm not going to have enough onion because of that reason. Look, can you see that? Oh my goodness. So let's harvest this little onions. What a pity, huh? Can you see? Look, that's fresh. My goodness, really. So we are going to harvest these little onions. What a pity, really. So I stopped irrigating them, guys. That's why. And I will show you my onions to the other garden. I hope this small. Can you see this one? Oh, it's like it's intact because it's underground. But look, if you pull it, it's like that. So we look. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Oh, this one, yes, because we can see the plant. So we are going to harvest. We will harvest all the onions we can. Look, what a pity. This one is okay. What a pity, really. Okay, guys, so this part of my garden is a disaster this year. Sorry. Okay, guys, so these are the onions at the other side of my garden. Look, they are big already. Can you see that? So beautiful. I love it. But I'm so sad at the same time because I will not have enough onion for this year. I think they are ready to harvest because look at their neck. They started to bow. And the color in the first skin, guys, it's papery already. So we are going to harvest this very soon as well. So beautiful, huh? Look at that. It's big. They are big, guys. These are the size of onions that I love. Yeah. Alright, guys, so these are the onions that I saved, guys, from the other side of the garden, from the backyard garden. So what a pity, huh? I'm so sad, really. ah. Hello friends, I am now in our garden. This is our front garden, guys, and we are going to harvest these beautiful onions. As you can tell that the first skin is papery already, and also this part, guys, the neck is very soft, and look at that. That is why we are going to harvest them, and after that I will fill this bed with our animals manure, so we will prepare this bed for this coming autumn and winter plants, guys. And I also want to harvest some in here. If you remember that Russell or Everest dug the part of this bed, and the first onions that I planted were out that time, so I replanted, and some of them are still small and some of them are ready to harvest. So I will choose also the big ones and we are going to harvest those. All right, the moment of truth. And I am so excited. As you can tell, look guys, of this papery skin of this onion. So that is the time to harvest. Wow, I'm so happy. So I am very happy, guys, in this side of our garden, because as you all know that the other side we have a mole eating all my onions. Yeah, so I think I'm going to concentrate gardening in front, in the front yard, guys. Yeah. What happened to this? Alright guys, so our harvest for today. Alright guys, so these are the onions that I saved, guys, from the other side of the garden, from the backyard garden. So what a pity, huh? I'm so sad, really. ah.